Package dimension 4.06 L by 2.73 W by 2.07 H. Country of origin, China. Model number, DS173T. Item package weight, 0.61 pounds. Established in 1919 and traded on the NYSE, Standard Motor Products, Inc., SMP, is a leading independent manufacturer, distributor, and marketer of replacement parts for motor vehicles in the automotive aftermarket industry, with a complementary focus on heavy-duty, industrial equipment and original equipment markets. Top reviews from the United States. Factory replacement switch for my 1974 Chevy K10 truck. These are factory replacement switches that fit and function perfectly in my 1974 Chevy K10 truck. Easy to install and works just like the factory ones. Just connect the wire, screw them into the truck body and slowly close your door, and they self-adjust by pushing the tube into the screw body for the correct length. These are $10 each at my local parts store, and they are the same brand. Awesome price.